What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, we are getting ready to go see Pitbull in Montreal and I'm very excited. We are leaving in 2 days. Today's Wednesday. I'm gonna vlog today and tomorrow so that I can upload this for you guys on Friday before I go to the concert, and then I'll have the full Montreal / Pitbull weekend vlog up for you guys on Tuesday. But today we are trying to decide what outfit I'm gonna wear. I think today we're going to concentrate strictly on the outfits that I'm gonna wear, or not the outfits, but the outfit that I'm gonna wear for Pitbull. I have a few different options and I honestly don't want to spend any money on a new outfit because I feel like Pitbull is such an easy like concert to get dressed to, if that makes any sense. Like, it's easy to dress to go see Pitbull. So I'm thinking all black outfit or like denim with a black top. So I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna show you guys the outfits that I have as of right now that I think could look good. Okay, so this is outfit inspo number 1. This little like vest that I would button up, only 2 buttons, my denim jeans from Aritzia, or not Aritzia, sorry, Abercrombie, with a belt, and then I have some like black booties on, which you guys can't really see. And I would probably throw on this leather blazer that I have just to like walk to the concert. I wouldn't like wear a coat. Like, this would be my coat, and I feel like this is appropriate and very like Pitbull vibes. So I think this is definitely like a solid option, and like my denim jeans are like really comfy, but they are like really light as well. So I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this outfit. I do love it. I give it like a solid 8 out of 10, but I think I might have some better options. So let's see what else, like what other outfits I can create. Okay, so same top but with my Melina pants like this. I think this could be really cute. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little. So like Melina pants, and then this little button-up vest, which I think is really cute for Pitbull because he wears a lot of blazers, and this is kind of giving the blazer vibe without me actually wearing a full-on blazer on top because I am gonna get hot. So I think this could definitely work. And with this, I would either do white sneakers or my black booties. Okay, next I've got this option with my contour tube top and my Melinas. I would probably do my sneakers with this outfit, maybe the heels. Like, honestly, it's gonna be one or the other, either the black heels or the sneakers. You guys are gonna have to see in the next vlog what I end up picking, because I might bring a few of these outfit options and see what my brother's girlfriend is wearing, and then what my brother's wearing and what Alex is wearing, and then see what the vibe is. So might end up bringing a few different outfits, but this is the 3rd outfit. I think I really like this one, honestly. I think it's one of my faves. Since I'm wearing leather pants, I could definitely just do this blazer on top, which is not leather, and it's a little bit more oversized and not as tight on my shoulders. So like this could be like a vibe, maybe. I don't know, but this would maybe be like the jacket I would throw over. Okay, this is the next outfit. It is a dress. I just brought my camera higher up, but it's a mini dress and it's like super lacy, as you guys can tell, which I feel fits the Pitbull vibe. And then I would probably do, again, probably my black boots with this, but maybe my sneakers depending on how comfy I want to be. And then I can do either the regular blazer or the leather blazer, which I'm thinking with this outfit I would probably do leather. The only reason I would wear the other one is because it's more oversized. Like, yes, this looks so good with the black boots. I'm not going to put tights because it's not that cold yet outside, but like I definitely need a jacket. I can't just go out in a dress. Okay, that was actually my last outfit. I thought I had a few more, but I really just don't like them all that much, so we're just gonna like skip over because it's just a big no. Now I'm trying to figure out, because I love my Peggy sweater. I'm obsessed with it. I just have such a hard time styling it, and the easy thing is to put leggings and Uggs, and that's just like the perfect fall outfit. But we're going to Montreal and I want to elevate my look. I want to look a little bit more like put together, because Saturday we are gonna like spend somewhat the day there, like not all day because we like need to head back home, but some part of the day. And I'm thinking we're probably gonna walk to like the old port and like do some shopping, and I want to be comfy but cute. And I honestly am not bringing my Uggs because I do not want to walk around in my Uggs. Like, that is not an option. If it were winter time, I'd say yes. It's not winter, so we're not doing Uggs. We're either doing the black booties or the sneakers. I don't care. So I'm trying to figure out how to style this, and I'm seeing like so many people style like this sweater with the pleated skirt. Like, why do I look like a balloon? I look like a freaking balloon. Let me bring you guys down. This is not flattering at all. And like, I could like tuck it in, sort of like roll it. I guess that kind of gives me more of a silhouette, but like not a cute one. Like, it's still, I just look so chunky. Like, I could tuck this in, but yeah, I want to style the sweater with my bomber, but then I feel like brown and black, I don't know, like, is this a vibe or is it not? And also, is my, okay, no, my sweater's not peeking up back. Like, does this work? Or do I need to have this like out and about like this, like this? I just feel like I look like a balloon and it's not cute. So I'm looking at my different options for outfits because I really want to style this bomber and wear this bomber, but like, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know. Okay, I found this brown mock turtleneck. It's kind of like an orange, burnt orange, brownish color. And I could throw the outfit on like this with like my sweater off the shoulder, the black little pleated skirt, my black boots. Like, this could be a moment, but like, I'm not sure because I feel like in these kinds of outfit I need to put knee-high boots, which I do have a pair. And I've been having trouble styling it, and I was thinking about returning it, but I guess if I can style it, then I might end up keeping it. So I'm gonna throw those boots on right now. Okay, so I switched the skirt out for this skirt that I have that I got from HomeSense / Marshalls that the stupid zipper is broken on. I'm trying to like figure it out, but like, it's broken. Haven't returned it yet. And then I have these boots right here. Like, this could be a vibe with like the brown shirt. I feel like this is really cute. And I could probably do my black mini leather skirt. I just feel like this gives me like a better silhouette because it's short. So if I can figure out the zipper, then I might end up keeping these and like the short, like, because it's like really short, I feel like it just works. And then with the boots, it kind of looks good. Like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try to take this skirt off and we'll see. Or maybe, you know what? I'm gonna throw on my brown bomber first to see how this looks together. Okay, I kind of really like this outfit. I don't know if I'm like 10 out of 10 on it, but I like this. I feel like with makeup on, curled hair, the black skirt kind of ties in with the black boots, which I think I'm gonna end up returning these ones anyways because I'm really not sure about them, and they are like a little kitten heel, and I feel like I'm just gonna break my ankles. I'm not there yet. I need a like thicker heel, but I feel like this could potentially be like a really cute outfit to like walk around Montreal, go for brunch, and then if it's a little bit chillier, which I think it's gonna be because it's gonna be like a rainy day, I have a cute scarf that I can throw over. So we're not styling the Peggy sweater, but we're bringing in that color to this outfit. So like, this would be the outfit, like super chunky, still giving kind of like the balloon vibe, but not as much. Okay, this is what the outfit looks like with just the like sort of ankle boots. It's really not giving off the same vibe, so I don't know, but what I do know is that I'm tired of doing this today. I'm like overwhelmed and I need a break, so I think we're gonna continue this tomorrow, and we are going to like officially pack up everything tomorrow. Okay, I lied. I'm back. I went onto Pinterest and I was like, how are none of these skirt outfit working? Like, for sure there are some on my Pinterest that I've seen with just little booties, and I figured it out, you guys. I needed tights. I needed to put tights on, and automatically the black little booties already look cuter. Now, this is not a sweater dress. It has like slits on the sides, but I'm wearing this leather skirt underneath and this on top. I feel like this could be such a vibe walking around Montreal with like just like my crossover bag. Let me throw that on. Like this. Like, I love a good shoulder bag. I don't personally own any, but I just feel like this is so much more practical. I really prefer this, but like, this outfit is a vibe, you guys. This could work. Don't mind my closet. I'm just like getting my stuff out of there. I tried it with the brown bomber. The sweater is too long for the brown bomber, so it's a no. I'm gonna go through my scarves to see if I have one that maybe is darker toned to wear with this, but I can always just throw over this one, which is like my all-time favorite one. And I've got a cutie little gray, black, and cream outfit, and honestly, I feel like it fits the vibes. I love this outfit. I think it's so cute. Okay, I've also got this outfit which works with my bomber. It's this brown sweater and the skirt, the bomber, and I think it looks really, really cute. I'm not sure which outfit I'm gonna end up bringing to wear in Montreal. The one thing that I do know is that I'm not gonna wear this on the ride to come back home. I am gonna bring like leggings or like joggers maybe and a sweater for back home, but like just for walking around Montreal, maybe going out to brunch. I don't know if we're gonna go out to brunch or if we're just gonna grab like a quick breakfast. I really like this one. I think this one is a little bit like, I don't know, I was gonna say it's more fall, but it's not, because like the gray was so nice, but I do feel like gray could be more of a like winter color and brown is more of like a fall color, but like both outfits are so cute. So like, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I just know that I love both of them. I feel like this video, you guys, is gonna be like mostly a styling video slash pack with me. So I hope you guys enjoy, because I know you guys have been enjoying the fashion content on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And I think this is officially the end for today. So yeah, now I just need to go pick up my mess in my bedroom. I'm gonna change out of this, and then I'm gonna go do my returns at HomeSense, which include the boots that I had on earlier, because they're just a little bit they're too much for me. I need a thicker heel. Like this one has like a thick heel. I can't do the kitten heel, not yet. I'm not there yet. So we're gonna go do those returns, and I think there's like a whole bunch of Christmas things already out, so I think I'm gonna look around. I'm not gonna get anything, but I'm gonna look around for sure. You guys, this is what we're dealing with in my bedroom right now. It is catastrophic, and I need to deal with this. Like, this is stressing me out. I need to take care of this ASAP. I don't like this at all. You guys, my room is clean. It took like 5 minutes and everything is picked up. Okay, final outfit. This Harvard sweater, like quarter zip, puffer vest, white sneakers, and out the door we go. You guys, the return is done, and they had so many cute Christmas things. It took everything in me not to buy anything, so I was like, I don't need it right now. I can come back, and I'll come back with Alex. We can pick out a few things together. We're probably gonna be taking our fall decor out, like, well, off, and then taking the Christmas decor out in maybe like 4 weeks. So I feel like I can wait the 4 weeks before I buy anything. But like, you guys, they had such cute things. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I'm rocking the Peggy sweater that I was trying to match, or like not match, but make an outfit with yesterday, and I've decided I'm gonna wear it as my car ride outfit. This and like leggings or like joggers. Like right now I'm wearing it with these like gray boot cut leggings from Aritzia, and it's a vibe. I could do like Uggs with this, but I'm gonna end up bringing so many pairs of shoes. I'm probably doing like heels, my white sneakers, and then my Uggs if I'm wearing them in the car, but I feel like it'd be so comfortable with my Uggs in the car. So I like, who cares? I can leave the Uggs in the car anyways and just like switch out my shoes when I get in the car to like come back home. I don't need to like bring them into the hotel, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, it's the next day. Today's like the final packing day. Well, not technically, but I'm going to be editing this vlog and posting it for you guys tomorrow, which is Friday. And I usually post around 2:30, so I need to like have everything done. I might add a few little things from tomorrow, but I'm gonna be in such a rush that I might not. Anyways, good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I ended up having like one of those days yesterday, and I did not pack anything. I just needed to like chill and be off social media and just like have some time for myself, and I didn't feel like packing anything. But with all the progress we did on Wednesday, I already knew what my outfits were gonna be, so I just finished like taking everything out that I'm going to pack to bring with me. This is what we've got here. Don't mind my bed. It's just like we're washing the sheets right now, so the bed is not made. But I've got this outfit. This is what I'm gonna wear. I really like this outfit with the blazer, the leather pants, and the tube top. So this is what I'm gonna wear tonight. I've got my pajama. I've got a bathing suit because there is a pool, so we'll see. I don't know if we're gonna go, but I'm bringing one just in case. And then these are my outfits, like, well, not my outfits, but like the outfit options. I've got my brown sweater, and then I decided to go with this cream colored sweater, my skirt, and then I've got like underwear, socks, tights in there. And this is my travel outfit. I'm doing my Peggy sweater and some leggings. And then everything is here for like pharmacy. I've got all of my stuff, some of Alex's stuff, my makeup, my hair curler, makeup remover, everything to wash my face, deodorant, heat protector, brush, and yeah, everything is like pretty much ready. I just need to put everything in the bag. And it's only 9 a.m. I work until 2:30. We leave at 3. So by 2:30, I want everything to already be packed. We're gonna prep the car. I think my brother's getting here with his girlfriend around 2, so they're gonna be here like 30 minutes before I finish working. They're gonna probably pack the car for us, and then we're just waiting for Alex to be home at 3, and then we are leaving. We want to try to avoid as much traffic as possible, and I need this to be done as quickly as possible because I need to edit this vlog and post it before we leave today. So yeah, and then for shoes, we're doing the black booties and my white sneakers. And of course, we are doing the Beis bag to travel. And like, this is all my stuff. It's all going in the bag, and then I'm literally gonna be fitting Alex's stuff in there too. Like, we're 2 people in this bag. Like, you get so much room in this bag. Also, I know I've mentioned this before, but like when we went to Tampa, that was actually like my carry-on baggage. I had a backpack and that's all I had for myself to go to Tampa. I do believe I put like a few things in Alex's carry-on, but not too many. I think it was just products, like anything that was like sunscreen and products like that. I just ended up putting in his, or like shampoo, conditioner that we would like share, like soap and stuff like that, toothpaste, our brushes, toothbrushes, the hairbrush, that was in like his bag. But like other than that, why does this hair keep going on my mouth? Like this bag, it's pretty big. So if you're hesitant and you kind of want to get yourself the bag, just get it. Also, Alex got this for me last year for Christmas, and I was really grateful that he got this. So it's also a really great Christmas present if you need any inspo. Okay, I am coming on to end this video. I'm just gonna pack everything right now. I've got everything in front of me. Everything is being packed, and I really am not gonna do much more other than put the stuff that I showed you guys in my bag. And I also really want to get this video up for you guys. I need to post it or at least upload it within the next 30 minutes for it to have time to like import into YouTube and be ready to go and be posted. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'll just do a last little overview of everything we've got. So I've got my things here, Alex's things there, and our bag, my shoes, which I'm only gonna pack the black booties, and then everything is still in the bathroom. I need to like figure this out, but yeah, I'm just gonna pack the rest of this up, and that's pretty much it. From now on, I'm just waiting for the day to end, and then we can leave. There are like a few things I would like to do, like tidying up just a little bit. I like to leave the apartment clean and come back to like a clean apartment. That just makes sense and feels good. So I'm gonna finish packing, take care of this video, clean up the apartment, and I will see you guys in my next video for my Montreal vlog and Pitbull concert vlog. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that next video, and I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay.